Ciao, hi everyone, I'm Flavia Dutto, Private Office Advisor for Lake Maggiore and Lake Orta. Today I'm in Verbania in Lake Maggiore just to show you an amazing property, very American style. You are curious? Come on, let's come. Along the elegant driveway, we reach the house. At the first sight, we can immediately see the grandeur of the property, covering an area of 515 square meters, embellished by top materials and state-of-the-art technology, such as the home automation system. Inside, the house welcomes us with a wonderful living area and a fully equipped kitchen, as well as a study, laundry room and a bathroom. Upstairs, we find a sleeping area where the view from the wide terrace of about 65 square meters is absolutely stunning. Here we cannot resist the temptation to go outside and find ourselves in front of a fantastic panorama. A breathtaking lake view embellished by the magical Isola Madre with Isola Bella in the background. The hallway on this level ends with a mezzanine that opens towards the living area below. The top floor, the most intimate area of the villa, offers a large room and a bathroom overlooking a second terrace of about 40 square meters with lake view, of course. The cherry on top is the wellness area in the basement, which hosts an indoor heated pool. And here, of course, there is a wide garage that can host up to 4 cars. And here we go, we are back. I hope really that you have enjoyed the video, and if you want more information, please just follow us.